Hello love friends, it's me again, your Katrin Sarah.
As always, your boy Aga, and you are now watching Love Prince Reaction.
If you're new on our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, or click on the notification bell so that you'll get update for our new videos. On this video, we are going to show you our reaction to the top 10 most largest aircraft carriers in the world.
Nice. Now, let's watch the video.
Everyone, today in this video we are going to show you the top 10 largest aircraft carriers in the world.
Okay.
Considering the length of a standard football field as 90 to 120 meters, aircraft carriers are 2 to 3 times the length of a football field and serves as a seagoing airbase. Let's get started. Number 10, PHM Atlântico Amphibious Assault Ship, Helicopter Carrier, Brazil.
Wow.
Country of origin, United Kingdom. Atlântico is a landing platform helicopter ship and current flagship of the Brazilian Navy. Originally commissioned in Royal Navy UK as HMS Ocean, the PHM Atlântico was purchased from Royal Navy by the Brazilian Navy in the year 2018. General characteristics. Displacement 21,500 tons. Length 203 meters. Beam 35 meters. Aircraft carried 18 helicopters.
Wow.
Number 9, Cavour Aircraft Carrier, Italy. Country of origin, Italy. Cavour is an Italian aircraft carrier which was commissioned in the year 2008. The ship is designed to carry fixed-wing vertical and/or short takeoff and landing, in short, V-stall aircraft and helicopter. Cavour will carry around 15 F-35 Lightning II and a few helicopters.
Wow.
General characteristics. Displacement 30,000 tons.
What?
Length 244 meters. Beam 39 meters.
Wow.
Aircraft carried 20 to 30 helicopters and V-stall aircraft.
Nice.
Number 8. America class and Wasp class amphibious assault ship helicopter carriers. The America class and Wasp class is a ship class of landing helicopter and amphibious assault ships of the United States Navy.
Wow.
Currently, 2 carriers of America class and 8 carriers of Wasp class are in commission with the United States Navy. The U.S. Navy in total plan to commission 11 America class assault ship in coming years. Depending on the mission, both the class of carriers can carry both helicopters and vertical and/or short takeoff and landing or V-stall, like F-35 Lightning II. General characteristics. Displacement 42 to 45,000 tons. Length 257 meters.
What?
Beam 32 meters. Aircraft carried 30 plus helicopters and V-stall aircraft.
Wow.
Number 7. Charles de Gaulle Aircraft Carrier, France. Country of origin, France. The Charles de Gaulle is the first French nuclear-powered aircraft carrier and is the only active aircraft carrier of the French Navy at the moment. Currently, only French and United States have nuclear-powered aircraft carriers at the moment. General characteristics. Displacement 42,500 tons. Length 261.5 meters.
Wow.
Beam 64.36 meters. Aircraft carried 30 to 40.
Wow.
Number 6, INS Vikramaditya, India. Country of origin, Russia. The INS Vikramaditya is a modified Kiev-class aircraft carrier currently operated by the Indian Navy. The carrier was purchased by India from Russia in the year 2004 and was inducted in service in Indian Navy in the year 2013. INS Vikramaditya is the only aircraft carrier of India at the moment. Although domestically built, INS Vikrant is in its early trials and might take another 2 to 3 years for full induction into the Indian Navy. General characteristics. Displacement 45,400 tons.
Wow.
Length 283.5 meters. Beam 60 meters. Aircraft carried 36.
Wow. Oh, nice.
Number 5, Kuznetsov class aircraft carrier, Russia and China. The Kuznetsov class is a class of aircraft carrier which originated in erstwhile Soviet Union. Currently, there are 2 active Kuznetsov class aircraft carriers in the world, one with Russian Navy and another one with the Chinese Navy under the name Liaoning. The Chinese purchased the carrier from Ukraine and was rebuilt and commissioned into the Chinese Navy as Liaoning.
Nice.
General characteristics. Displacement 59,000 tons.
Wow.
Length 305 meters. Beam 72 meters. Aircraft carried around 40 fixed wing and helicopters.
Nice.
Number 4, Elizabeth class aircraft carrier. Country of origin, United Kingdom. The Queen Elizabeth class aircraft carrier is the largest warship ever constructed in the United Kingdom, and the newest class of aircraft carrier with modern technology commissioned in Royal Navy. Currently, 2 carriers of this class are in active service with the Royal Navy UK. General characteristics. Displacement 65,000 tons.
Wow.
Length 284 meters. Beam 73 meters.
What?
Aircraft carried typically 40, but capable of carrying up to 72 at maximum.
Nice.
Number 3, Shandong, Type 002 aircraft carrier, China. Country of origin, China. The Type 002 class of aircraft carrier is a variant of Kuznetsov class aircraft carrier and is the first aircraft carrier constructed in China domestically. Currently, only 1 carrier of this class is active with the Chinese Navy under the name Shandong. Manufacturing of the ship began in the year 2013 and entered service in the year 2019.
Wow.
General characteristics. Displacement 70,000 tons. Length 315 meters. Beam 75 meters.
Wow.
Aircraft carried 44 to 50 fixed wing and helicopters.
Amazing.
Number 2, Nimitz class aircraft carrier. Country of origin, USA. The Nimitz class is a class of 10 nuclear-powered aircraft carriers currently in service with the United States Navy. As a result of the use of nuclear power, the ships are capable of operating for over 20 years without refueling.
Wow.
The ship has a crew of 6,012 people, including airway.
Wow.
General characteristics. Displacement 100,000 plus tons. Length 333 meters. Beam 76.8 meters. Aircraft carried
Wow.
85 to 90 fixed wing and helicopters.
Wow.
Number 1, Gerald R. Ford class aircraft carrier,
Wow.
USA.
You say again.
The Gerald R. Ford class aircraft carrier is the newest class of nuclear-powered aircraft carrier and the largest in the world currently in service with the U.S. Navy.
Yeah.
Currently, 1 Gerald Ford class carrier is active with the U.S. Navy, and another one in fitting out stage which is scheduled to commission in 2022. The U.S. Navy plans to commission a total of 10 carriers of this type in coming years. General characteristics. Displacement 100,000 plus tons.
Wow.
Length 337 meters. Beam 78 meters.
Wow.
Aircraft carried 90 plus fixed wing and helicopters.
What?
Amazing.
Thanks for watching.
That's it.
Our quotes for today is
War does not determine who is right, only who is left.
wow. And if you would like to see the original video, please see the link below.
Wow, as expected, USA is on the top 1. So as imagine, aircraft carrier is usually 2 to 3 times the size of a football field.
Wow. I agree, but India is still included on the top 6. Wow.
Yeah, so I think since aircraft carrier is a seagoing air base, I think they played a significant role in every country's navy and air forces.
Yeah. Anyway, to the top 10 country in the list, we salute you.
And keep up the good work. So that's it, Loud Trends. What do you think about the video of the top 10 most largest aircraft carrier in the world? Please leave your comments and suggestions below.
Please
I'm Scott. I'm Clint.
I'm Bob.
And we're the Mob.
Click here.
Just click right here. Click here.
Click here. Click here. Click here. Click here.
Click here.
Click here. Click here.
Click here. Click here.
Click here.
Just click here.
Click here to subscribe.